Why is suddenly everybody talking about neurodiversity? Is it a new trend? And why does it even matter at work? I'm here to reframe neurodiversity as an underrated superpower in business, and it's a competitive edge. My name is Vera Herzmann, and I'm working as a consultant serving for different clients at Zühlke. This is what most people think they see. Me, full of energy, sparkly, and very wild, and straight to the point. But this is also me. Going home after work, processing very deeply. Many questions in my head. Why am I so loud? Did I say something wrong? And why was it me again, pointing out the elephant in the room? On my personal journey, I bumped into neurodiversity, analyzing my ups and downs. High sensitivity, check. ADHD, autistic, work in progress. So, neurodiversity goes back to Judy Singer, who introduced the term in the late 90s, shifting the narrative from disorders to be cured and fixed to a movement that celebrates the natural variation in human brains. When we look it up, neurodiversity spans from clinically defined diagnoses like ADHD or dyslexia to mental health and trauma-related conditions to personality-based traits like high sensitivity. At work, we mainly encounter these neurotypes. I see people opening up, disclosing, and taking action when it comes to collaboration and working agreements. Or I see the complete opposite, not feeling safe at all. Let's face it, with 19%, the prevalence of neurodivergence in tech is high. So with 250 people here in the room right now, we are 48, 47 who are neurodivergent, whether you know it or not. So let's have a look at the superpowers such brains bring along. And remember, all neurotypes are different. People experience the world in very unique ways. This includes, for example, very high intuition, hyperfocus, empathy, or creativity when it comes to complex problem solving. These are all neurocognitive strengths people bring along and companies are craving for. At the same time, neurodiversity brings also challenges and downsides, which are often neglected. So in the business context, we really have to focus and bring our attention to the following ones. This includes impulsivity, perfectionism, overstimulation, and the need for more downtime. Navigating change in this VUCA world can be really, really tough for neurodivergent minds. The tech CEO Alex Karp sees neurodivergent thinking as a future-proof advantage in the era of AI. He recently stated that either you have vocational training or you're neurodivergent. So we're no longer talking about just inclusion, another DEI program that gets cut when funds are tight. Neurodiversity becomes a strategic competitive advantage in business. So we'd better start, as processes and leadership are lagging behind in corporates. Did you know that teams with neurodivergent professionals in certain roles are up to 30% more productive? I mean, which company is not interested in this? So first, I recommend raising the awareness about neurodiversity. Make sure it is safe to open up when building high-performing teams. Second, create environments that support nervous system regulation. This includes lights, sounds, but also smells, or social fields with pressure. Reduce the sensory overload. And third, rethink and redesign the corporate structures, including communication styles, hiring processes, or performance measures. It is not only an individual support topic, but an organizational design challenge. So it is pretty smart to hire neurodivergent minds. It is genius to lead with this neuro-awareness. But mastering the neurointelligence of your workforce is the future. So all in all, I truly believe that neurodiversity is an underrated superpower in business. It's not a new trend. It gives visibility and language to people who were unseen for far too long. Thank you.